Hi, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over 3 things that you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found that by giving business owners a free attack plan of things that they could start doing today for free to help positively impact their business has led some of those business owners to still put their trust in me to say, hey Craig, I like you and I think that you can help my company. So, if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeves and tools that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take these free attack plans that I give you today and do them yourself, that works for me too. So, let me not waste any more of your time and show you 3 things that can help set you above your competition. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content quantity. So as we can see here, I use a tool called SEO Quick with your URL, and I can see that your homepage only has 277 words. Google's release that their optimization in their algorithms is going to be a minimum of 1,500 words on that homepage. So right out of the gate, if you just add about 1,200 to 1,300 content, that's going to help you meet that minimum just on that homepage to be found. Now the second thing I'm going to talk about is going to be content quality. Now it goes hand in hand obviously, but you want to make sure that the content you do have is going to have those keywords you want to be found for. So your top 3 are basement, concrete, foundation. Now this is your number 1 competitor. As you can see, I typed in basement repair Milwaukee and Milwaukee basement foundation repair popped up right here. Now I went ahead and typed that URL in again, and they're short as well, but they still have a substantial amount more than you. But as you can see, they have basement foundation repair, but 27 times, 22 times, and 18 times, whereas you have it 10, 8, and 7. So as you can see, it found them and pulled them towards the top due to the amount that they have. But the third tool or trick that I'm going to show you today is the most important to getting this number 1 spot on Google. And that's going to be your backlinks. So I put your website in a tool called Ahrefs, and we can see that you only have 448 backlinks, 45 referring domains, but you're only drawing in 44 clicks a month in organic traffic. Now what a backlink is simply a link from one website pushing to another website. So it works like this. Basically, if Site A is pointing to Site B, then Site B receives some of the power from Site A, and therefore is showing Google that they have authority. Simply put, it's a popularity contest in Google's eyes. So why that's important is because you need to have more backlinks, but not only more, but quality backlinks to bring up these URDR ratings. So if you look at your competitor, they have a ton of backlinks, but what's more important is those backlinks are directly contributing to their organic traffic. They're bringing in over 3,000 clicks a month. So as you can see, it really equates just being at the top and really pays off and bringing in more traffic to your website. Now in this quick video, we just discussed 3 simple things today that you could implement to get to the top of Google. We talked about how you need to have 1,500 words on that homepage. Secondly, we discussed the keyword selection and how you want to pick keywords that you want your business to be found for. Thirdly, most importantly, we discussed backlinks and link juice and how you need to have the most sites pointing at you. As I said, if you implement these strategies today, you can easily be number 1 across Google. So what now? Well, you can take this information I gave you and do it all on your own. Or, you can give me a call and I can make sure that we get this done and save you the time and energy. My number is 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. Have a great day.